I don't want you to feel sorry for me. I don't want pity. Ebona situation le, I am not a victim. I am someone who just experienced something, saw it for what it was, and chose to speak about it. Because if lenting ayenzeka kimi, I can promise you it's happening to a lot more people every single day. And the problem is, we only speak about these things when it's already too late. And yabona le video angifuni ukuthi ibe yiphua mi phua la sizwe. Ngifuna le video ibe yibasop. Be careful, vula amehlo, because people think manipulation looks evil. Like it's obvious. Like it's aggressive. Like you'll see it coming. My babes, you won't. Sometimes manipulation is polite. Sometimes it sounds intelligent. Sometimes it sounds safe, warm. It feels, sometimes it feels like someone is just being honest. And that's where people miss it. Because you're not reacting to danger. You are adjusting to it. And that's where things start to shift without you even realizing. So the biggest thing I want to do with Shogule video is that the first red flag is never small. And that's it. Like Ibala. Because we'll try to convince ourselves. We'll try downplay it. We'll try rationalize it. Say good clamp, I'm overthinking. Babes, you're not. The first red flag, it's a preview of everything. I'm showing shortly. So personally for me, I'm really grateful that I trusted myself enough to pause, observe, and step back. Because not everyone does it. And that's how many people end up in a situation that confuses them, drains them, and slowly disconnects them from themselves. So I just want to say, be aware, be present, trust your gut, even when it doesn't make sense, because your intuition will pick up something long before your logic can explain it. Nyakchela, I'm telling you. Like, trust and stay safe, okay? Ibala.
Babona wena sizo nawe Dominic asizokhuluma nawe because you experience it vele konakele vele ku ngihleli la ngibuka i-podcast kaLasizwe last episode le eno anathi phakathi are we one khe there's this content creator udayisi imoto lezi edayisa zisedebheni ngeke ngize ngisho ukuthi halfway ka undayi ka Toyota whatsoever nje angeke ngize ngibize brand. Kodwa nani nizombona nje umuntu emfanele lento lengisho ngiqeda ukuposta indle le bengiyakhela siya ngoMay so ngiyiposte bengithola congratulations sharp blah 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 after a month uzubuthi lo muntu lo befuna nje lapho sekuthulwe khona after a month congratulations my crush niya understand congratulations my crush for building their house ayimlo yangithi thank you so bese bana lo mkhubu ukuthi njalo me comment engakho niyabona guys khona la ka TikTok khona lento yokuthi i-comment uyibhale but ingaposteki in public la comment ize ku inbox so nalo mkhoba lo uthi my comment uze ku inbox comment eze ku inbox okay khehle agcine ke ma good can you please chat on WhatsApp yimlo yaya futhi ngimtshela ukuthi WhatsApp anguna kakhulu ngisho njalo mangifuna ukukusebenzisa number athi no problem as long as I have your number blah 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 and kuhle komfana mhlangeza negama la nani ngeni ngijudge something like anathi muhle nje uyabo muhle nje nalo amfana kuhle nyana Nkosi yami sikhulume ku WhatsApp uke bese eyangitshela ngabo July kanje I'm planning to build indlu for mama ngithi mina that's the good thing to do blah 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 so sesikhuluma like I'm comfortable ngiyakhumbula bengekha ngo-October if I'm not mistaken October November somewhere there ngimtshela ukuthi ngisafuna ukolungisa indaba amathanje blah 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 acabanga ukuthi it's my time to build the house ayenze foundation kawo bese yenza indlu bengaka nje yabo ibe ngaka but uyangitshela ukuthi hayi sekwenze but akangangishutheli kuthi sengizobuya ngize la eGoli ke bangani bami ngimtshele okay ngithi abuza ukuthi hawu umobuyehla uzofaka ama-tiles no sling board yini ngithi no ngizofaka ama-tiles odwa le ndlu yasekhaya vela msho ama-tiles bayawafaka inyanga yonke ithatha isikhathi eside athi hayi alright shuthi ukuthi ikhona imali ye-ceiling board ikhona imali ye-furnish just that ushawa isikhathi ukuthi kumele beqale ezandla mase ngizokhuphuka ngekhaya ngimtshela ukuthi awana do ilebhayi like ngifuna ukulebha izinto before angithanda ukuhlala nemali ngcono ngilebha izinto bese ngibashiyela islip ekhaya bese ngizohamba ngegoli makuthi khona abakufunayo bayothatha islip ke bese beyoyikhipha lezinto lezi awaqhamba mfana athi uhamba nini ngithi mina athi uhamba nini kuya store ngithi mina ngihamba Monday ngangiza la egoli Tuesday ngithi ngizoya Monday ebuilding athi okay ngo Sunday later yangifona video call I think le video call yabo 3 hours ngiyaxa uthi uthando lungakaseqhamuka bethunani uthando lungakaseqhamuka Sunday yangishuthela indlu the process indisicebhezana nje kusesenga ku 2 room isicebhezana nje kusesencane I think from i-foundation vele kusafaka idini eziwu3 isasengaka nje indlu ayikafiki nasemadolweni nje futhi I think hayi okay sharp ngize ngisho ukuthi hayi pusha ndoda abo uyabalisa video call ekunzima uyi-first born ka ube kunzima ukuba mdala uyabona nje manje kuthiwa kumnyama kakhulu masezo yayiqama indoda ebalisa kanje bethunana khona lapha phakathi khona ngithi mina athi ngiqhubeka nini athi kuhlezi kuthiwa kumnyama kakhulu mase kuzokhana kimi kumnyama kakhulu sithandwa sami lokho kwaba mnyama nje shuthi ngiyoze ngife kumnyama ucabanga mina ngitshona umuntu obalisa kangaka like akekho positive hey mina shuthi ngiyoze ngife kumnyama akuyoba mnyama ngize ngibhoshe shuthi kulukunje une favorite ngcono uyanithanda ninemagushi yo bethunani lokho ngithe so uzawuthini phela kumele uthi sorry ngoba uthe uyamthanda hayi ngasho ukuthi love you too sham but bese ngakabonani manje njalo ke ledenzeka singangabonani angivuke ke avuke kusena ngibuza ukuthi asilale ngabo 11 athi lala sanda sami uzokhona ukuvuka azangibuza uzohamba ngoba isikhathi ngithi hayi maybe ngabo 10 11 ngizobe sengiye build it sharp angifonele ngo10 exactly ngiphuma nje ekhaya athi ungifonele ke masuse store niyasezwana iti kanjani mase ngisestore ngiyenza lebha ngibe ngilebha vele ngikuyicall hayi sithi ngikuyicall ngisa round the store yabo sengisethilini ngiyasho ukuthi ngilebha in bese ngithi ngiyaphuma athi cela ubuyele futhi nakhona akiki ukuthi kubuyela uthi cela ubuye kodwa ufuna ungicheckela akungikhikhela ukuthi sengiyothenga ifurniture sengiyothenga i-material okwakho mebuyela base ngingaphakathi mana bese sama I wanted us to talk about something ngithi athi indlu yami ayikhuphuka sacela ungithengele cement kwavela kwehla ama-feelings ehle store uyabona ngisase store to ngimbuza ukuthi ufuna cement abangaka hayi bokukhuphula indlu nasengiyoyibonela kwi-roof bethunana ama-content ngaswitcha from i-voice call to i-video call ngambheka ngathi ngabuyisela kwi-voice call ngithi uthini athi hayi inkinga indlu imile indlu kamama and mama lokho enephophe ukuthi iyakhuphuka avela aphela ama-feelings kwaphela kwasana hayi ayigcini ke lapho kuthi ngibuye ngize la egoli ayingimtshela ukuthi I didn't like what you do what you did uyangisangane mina nathi ngicela nane airtime uzongicela uthi wasiphasi kumele ngisuse la lendlu madoda ngiyisa phe uthuru nyoka ukuthi mama Jehova acishe ngakho uthuru mina ngakhela i-content creator hayi iphele ke indaba lapha kuthi hayi axolise January sibe right phinde ngehle futhi ngekhanga ngoDecember bese siyakhona ukuthi hayi kumele ngibone bra hayi ngizoza lapha egoli usedebhena ngithi ngintshela hayi ngitshela mangiza lapha egoli sharp kuthi ngikhuphuke mina ekhaya nge4 nge5 ngitext uma ngitexta ungisend okay athi ngifuna ukungibona kade awufuna ngibona hayi mina nginankinga nokukubona ngingajabulela ukukubona just that you tell uzongitshela mawuza kuphi ejuice athi ukhehla alright nge5 ngifike mina izolo nge5 angisengindele i-ticket i-flight ticket ngimbuza ukuthi what's happening athi anganoma uzongitransferela nisithando sami or uzolibhukha wena on your side qonda ukuba ngaqonda ukuba bethunana sana lwami senenye and wesiphat Brahman ay ngcono nola sizwe noma umbhekile unemali maybe ungacela amateka futhi nakhona amateka I think ebengcono usime yo usime kwakuthiwa ngakhi I'm sure noma wakhe wayofika nami job yo ay sesiphila komunye umhlaba manje hayi bethunana sengiyambuza ukuthi kahle wena uyahlanya ngasho njalo phela mina wonke abantu ngithi kahle wena uyasangana nekhanda lakho wena athi hayi ukanjani sithando sami ngithi awuphilile wena ekhanda usangene wena awunangqondo la usangene uyangidakela futhi ngizokuphosta wathi hayi ungangiphosti so I'm not going to post it but ngihlanhla ngada nginikeni isiminofu ngihlanhla ngiyongena la mina ngisho igama ngiyazazi mos mangidakiwe
abantu ayihlalani phansi kasihlalani phansi yewethu uAnathi is terrorizing i-gay community. uAnathi i-gay community udlala i-chess manje athi checkmate uyabaterrorize abantu mamela into eyenzekayo niyakhumbula masibabe ndini baleso story sika Dominic lo mntana noAnathi into nokubana uDominic uthi yena bebiko relationship yava and then uAnathi wambetha and then uDominic wabhukha indawo wayibhukhela uAnathi kanti uAnathi uzaya phana echerry yakhe so baxatyatha ilobhisi yoba uDominic ubhukhe iAirbnb kanti lo uzawuya phana echerry yakhe so uthi ke uDominic ngeapologizile bizawuphela lento uAnathi uthi ke yena into nokubana zange sijole kwa ujolo lo mjolo sengqondweni apha kuSitototo lo mjolo ulapha engqondweni because mina naye zange sabana kuyi relationship you understand hayi ke fine bandase sithi sajongeleyo uAnathi ephika kwathi nayi kudu uSitototo waza ne receipts ke ngoku proving into nobani bebejola. I think there was a voice note from Instagram and then kwakho ke what is comparison ke ngoku ne pictures ku profile kaAnathi na ku profile yakhe nyani ke abantu bazanayo iproof into nokubana there was a time beye ku game wathi bekhwele i-quad bikes yeah up so while this is blowing up uLasizwe is looking at some hayi man ingu-Anathi wamjolona ithini into xa esithi ngqondo fika abantu ngoku kuyiwe pha weza quad bikes ulomntana yibirthday kaLasizwe phofu uthi uLasizwe into nokubana yena ngebirthday kaAnathi wenzela uAnathi something nice yabaza abantu ba romantic badikayo benhle nje benza izinto ezinice ke wamenzela something nice uAnathi wabona bayi umhlaba uyehlela bavuka ububhayi kaAnathi uAnathi wacela nedeki ke ngoba ngicela ungithengele le teki xa sisiya eDubai ndinxele xa sisiya eDubai yabantase ndinxelela ngoAnathi mina wabecela izinto abantase uphatha ucela umsebenzi uphatha ucela iplatform uphatha ucela igig like ungumuntu ocelayo ungumuntu waphongoyiki ucela lanto yasebhayi uba umuntu akoyika ucela phofu namacherry ke bhayo namacherry bhayo uyikucela like into yasebhayi lanto into ke abantu asephambanisa uLasizwe into nokubana hey nami ndiphantse ndayi-victim yalo muntu yava ndiphantse nami ndayi-victim yalo muntu kwathini but let's analyze the situation sibone uba yintoni ayenze wrong apha uAnathi obviously yokuqala abantu zeza allegations zoba uAnathi bebethi Sitototo leyo yona fanele ngabe uyabanjwa yava but guys there is absolutely nothing wrong with what he did because uAnathi uDMile Isitototo saresponda yava uAnathi waplita Isitototo savuma same thing kuLasizwe uDMile Lasizwe waresponda Anathi waplita kodwa kwayiwa ku WhatsApp that means uAnathi ugood ugood apha kwi-DM nalapha ekuplitweni ithi xa conversation ifika ku WhatsApp kude kucoba kubizwana baby and ke ngoku uAnathi imhlawumbi yena emotive yakhe nyani kwasekuqaleni ukuba you know what I'm gonna DM all these guys and into endiyifunayo mna yile akhona amantombazana ayenzayo lonto into nokubana mna I'm on Instagram for abafana abanemali yava so there's nothing wrong with doing that wena Anathi ungaba ku Instagram for i-gays ezinemali it's okay it's your life guys bubomi bakhe mabakaphile the way afuna ukuphila ngakhona the only thing wrong uAnathi ayenzile kubethu umuntu nokuchithela umuntu but uLasizwe yena akachithelwanga yes uthi into ubana ulomntana uAnathi was involved with Isitototo at the same time he was talking to me nina beni talking stage bantasi la relationship le yayibi advanced ikwa-advanced stage, nina beniseku-talking stage. So akufananwa, ungafanisi relationship yakho no-Anathi ne-relationship yakho noSidododo azifani. Wena uSidododo already besebheja full blown umbhejo, wena wabuseku-talking stage yombhejo. Wena ubungekazithengi needeki zaseDubai, so ndaze ubungekazitransfera neemali ezinkulu ezi uSidododo bezitransfera. So wena sit down mntazi, sit down. Umuntu ohead apha siSidododo because uyarealize into yoba yeyi andidlaliwe hayi nje kancinci, ndidlaliwe nje kancinci. But ke to uAnathi I still say awenzanga nto rongo. In fact thina siyayazi into yobana yi-MO yaseBhayi loyo nto, so awenzanga nto rongo wethu.
Ibethuna le nto yaseBhayi is serious. Like, I didn't think it is this serious. Like, I always thought people were over-exaggerating about how amadoda aseBhayi or incuvist. Like, this is a national incuvist, basically. Like, this is a national crisis that we are in. Because lo Anathi Ndini une type, like, une target actually. You have to be queer, you have to have celebrity status, like he has all it down to a T. Let's see, Dominic, how did you let this happen? Cause like I was looking at the screenshots. Long to imali. When I learned that this lady is straight, what business does he have with queer men? Mali. Oh, Mali, this is honest, Anna. Because what do you mean? The money that oyifumanayo wena uyilahlele kwi-girlfriend yakho. What are we doing here? Senzani ntoni apha?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Yabona Anathi uliqola ke sana and une-target yakhe because utfunela nje nama-gay la famous alanemali. Good thing ngokuthi uLasizwe didn't fall for his trap ke sana. uLasizwe ukhombise ukuba straight smart. Utidlele Dominic nje nkosi yami. Utitholele nje bekatitholele lapha kuDominic, amthengela timpahla, amthengela yini, ambukhela tindzawo nyobana nentombi yakhe. But kuLasizwe oshaye phansi kwashunqa luthuli. That's why Lasizwe bekanawo wonke ama-screenshots kumu-expose and umu-exposile shem. Uyophika athi njengoba phela kuDominic bekaphika athi yena akakasadate naDominic, usatophika futhi nakuLasizwe. Hey bafana maqola guys. So Lasizwe he's sending a warning to bantu ukuthi guys caphelani. People are hustling la ngaphandle wonto ukuthi umuntu yakuthanza kanti umuntu akakuthanza ufuna ukuchawa imali and utokuchawa. Hayibo Anathi the gay swindler sana. Yo lo mfana ngi-embarrassed on his behalf, shame. Kumbe nyaluyenga uthini girlfriend yakhe? Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.